Hey guys, Lech here. Today a quick video to talk about your home heating system and the air filters and how often should you change them. So people usually say 1 to 2 times a year. One time for the summertime and springtime and one time before the winter, right? Before you kick the heat on and then before you kick the AC on. Honestly, probably need to do more. This is probably 3 months worth. We do have 2 cats in the house, so that's one thing. It is January right now, so heating system has been running for the last few months. But as you see, this is pretty filthy after just 3 months of use. So you don't want this blowing through your house. You're gonna feel the dust. This is what a new one looks like. This is what a used one looks like. This is the other side. This is the side that's from the return register, return vent. The other one was from the blower, right? So I did a video on how to replace the air filter. Very simple, but there is a few things about measuring them to making sure you get the correct size. There's the thinner 1-inch ones and these bigger 4-inch ones and plenty of other sizes. The thing with these things is you can't go by the size it says. If it says 16 inches and your actual opening is 60 inches, it's probably not. Look at this. This one is 16 on the dot. Okay, and now look at this one. Same brand, same filter. Look at this. 15.5. So as you see, nothing is consistent. Same with the thickness. 4 3/8 here and 4.5 here. So the height is really important because that's going to affect if you fully seal when you're opening up. So when you're purchasing these, check out the specs, check out the manufacturer specs. If you're buying a Home Depot, measure them, because 16 times 25 times 4 doesn't necessarily mean that. That's just a generic number to describe these filters. So if you have cats, you have pets, change your filters 4 times a year. Perfect example of what I mean here. But twice a year is the minimum, I would say. Hope this is helpful. Check out my other how-to videos, and thanks for watching, guys.